Mentri ka tnad pule puthi ka Sorkar jylla, Rakkam A Sangma, mynta ka sngi ka tarik kyllalyngkot 8,000 phusau, pyntip ka Sorkar Pdeng, kala Pyllait Pisa, sau phuwe klur phusan lak tyngka ka scholarship, ka second installment, na ka Bynta ki khynnah pule ki bampat pdiang ka scholarship, jong Snem 8,000 phuar, hadu 8,000 phulai.
Everybody, especially my dear students who are waiting for last few months for their release of scholarship. Yes, the first installment has already released for about 37,000 students, and second installment was pending. But fortunately, today we have received the communication from the Tribal Affairs Ministry, Government of India. Today we have received the second installment from the Government of India, Ministry of Tribal Affairs today for post-matric scholarship, and maybe expected maybe next week we will try to disperse to the students, to all my students waiting for this. So we are processing ideally, and with due process we will do the needful within next week. And 37 has already released about, and minus of 67,000 is a manual. Received today 41 crore 25 lakhs amount as a second installment, as a center say 20 to 23. So after thanks Honorable Chief Minister, the Minister of Tribal Affairs, and including my dear students who have raised the issue, have waited patiently, and would like to request my dear students to use all this scholarship fund meaningfully, purposefully for their academic purpose. And also would like to appeal to all my dear students, be focused on the academic career, because do not get distracted. All the, yes, government will try its best to complete the process, and government is soldiering the responsibility seriously. And also I would like to request my dear students to soldier their own responsibility in carrying their own academic career, and at the end of the day, for the pride and the future of our state, because we always talk about Meghalaya state are lagging behind in producing the best personality in terms of IAS, IPS aspirant for last few years. So therefore today, this kind of statement, instead of demoralizing our students, but this kind of statement should give challenge to the brilliance students of the state. If others, students from Bihar, from Gujarat, from Assam, from Arunachal, from Punjab, if they can do, why not from Meghalaya? Why not from Northeast? So this kind of challenge should, I think, should be in every minds of the students. Also, and also like to request to all my teachers, while we give the education to our students, concept is very, very important, and therefore I think I would request as a teacher, as I was also a teacher, our students have to be briefed well with the concept of the topics and concept of the subject.